Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make a very healthy black gram, that is urad dal halwa. This is called Ulunthu and it is a traditional Tamil Nadu recipe. Have this at least once in a week. This helps to cool the body and strengthen the bones. For this we need half a cup of black gram, that is urad dal. Fry this in low to medium flame until it turns slightly golden brown. This is ready. Set this aside. Let this cool down a little bit. Next, take 1 tablespoon of parboiled rice. You have to fry this until it turns slightly brown. Once the rice is ready, allow it to cool down a little bit and transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add the fried black gram. Now powder this as fine as possible. Here we have got a fine powder. Transfer this into a bowl. Next we are going to melt the jaggery. I have taken 1 cup of palm jaggery. To this add 2 cups of water. Keep it on the flame until the jaggery completely melts. This is also ready. Once it cools down a little bit, you can add it into the powder. Add a little quantity of jaggery water and give a nice mix. No lumps should be formed. You should get a smooth paste like this. Now add this into the remaining jaggery water. Stir this continuously. This will get thick quickly. Once it is thick like this, you have to add sesame oil. Here I am using sesame oil. Initially I have added 2 tablespoons and later I am going to add 1 more tablespoon. At one stage it will become glossy and it won't stick to the pan. This is perfect. You can take it out now. So here our halwa is ready, but we have a traditional way of serving this. You can simply have the halwa like this or take it in a plate. Make a small pit in the middle and pour some sesame oil. And this is the traditional way of eating Ulunthu, that is urad dal halwa. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.